Hi, I'm Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to set up and use the multi-currency widget in VP Rentals team. The widget lets your visitors view property prices in different currencies. We showcase the multi-currency widget in our demos. You can add in team options the currency that you want to use, and your site visitors can view prices in the currency they choose from the multi-currency widget. Next, I will show how to set the currency options. You'll need to go to VP Rentals Team Options General, select the price and currency section, and here you'll need to fill in the currency code. You'll need to use the official abbreviation for your currency. This will be the main currency displayed in your site, and here you need to add the currencies that will be displayed in the multi-currency widget. The team includes the option to add the exchange rate manually here, or use auto exchanging rates using the currency converter API. If you want to use the manual option, you will need to add the currency codes here, add the label as well, set here the exchange rate. I will add a random one and click to add the currency. Using the manual option, the admin will need to manually change the exchange rates here. If you want to use the auto exchange rate, you will need to create an API. I will show how. First, you will need to enable the option to auto load and go to currencylayer.com and create an account to get your API. You need to select the free plan and create an account. Add your details. You'll need to add a valid email address as you will receive a verification email. Set your password, add your company details, and sign up. The account was created and you will need to verify the account created. You will receive an email notification. Once you click verify your email, you will be redirected back to currency layer site and you will need to click view dashboard. This is the API code. You will need to paste it in team options here and save changes. The team will run a cron daily to update the currency values. To show how this works, I will use a cron plugin so I can run the cron manually. I have this plugin and I will go to cron manager. The cron that needs to be executed is VP State load exchange action, and now in team options the currency values have been updated. These are the steps for team option settings. Next, you will need to add the multi-currency widget in your site. For that, you will need to go to appearance widgets. You can add the widget in any sidebar, in top bar, or in the footer. I will show how to add it in top bar. So I will add it in top bar left widget area. I will look here for the widget. This is the one. You can change the title here. For top bar, I will remove it to see only the currency dropdown. I will save changes. On front end, I will see the currency switcher here, and by choosing a different currency, I will see the prices in the currency selected. This widget is for display purposes only. Payments in the site and listing submission is made only with the main currency. This wraps our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, press like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.